Welcome to our YouTube tutorial. So in this tutorial you are going to learn how can you update records in a table by using inner join. So guys, please stay tuned with this video. So how we are going to do that? So we have a table like employee debt master. Okay, in this table you can see we have four columns like employee ID, employee name, department and salary. Now we have another table that is appraisal employee. Okay, so in this table we have a employee ID and increased salary. That means if any employee gets appraisal, then this table is going to store the increased salary. Now we want to update this salary in the employee department master. So how can we do this? We can do this by using the inner join, and we are going to update this salary part. Okay, so let's create a new query window. So in this window I am going to, okay, I'm going to use this table. Select a star from this table, and then I'm going to use this table as well. Okay, now in this table I am going to create a alias of this table, that is a amp, and apply left join appraisal employee as ap. Okay, and in the both tables you can see here employee ID is a common column, so we are going to apply on amp id and the app dot amp id. So I am not passing any column name in the select statement, so it is going to bring all the column from both tables. And here we are applying left join. That means we are going to pull all the record from employee debt master and matching record with uh, appraisal employee here. So here you can see these are the four columns like employee ID, amp name, department and salary is coming from employee department debt master, and the employee ID and increased salary, these columns are coming from appraisal employee. Okay, now we have to calculate this salary. That means we are going to update this salary by adding increased salary. So here amp dot salary plus app dot increase salary as new salary, like this. So here now we have to update only matching record, so we are going to use inner join. Okay, so here you can see, so instead of select I am going to copy this part and paste here for your reference and comment this information. Then I'm going to use update close, and here we need a table but we are using inner join, so we are going to use target tables alias here. And then if you want to update any record, so we need to use set statement, and then salary column like this. Okay, and now we are going to parse this query, that is commands completed successfully. So now we have to execute this. Now let's fetch the data from the main data table. Select star from asterisk from depth employee master. Okay, now we are going to compare the salary part. For employee 1001, the old salary was 31K and increased salary was 1500. The total of the both salary was 32.5K, and the same data you can see here. Now we have another record, that is 107, and the old salary was 20.5K and increased salary was 22.5K, and the total of the both salary is 23K. And the same thing you can see here, same for the triple one, employee ID triple one, and then you can see the same output over here. So you can see it is very easy to update records by using inner join. So this command is almost work in every SQL supported databases, but this will not work in the BigQuery. Please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching us.